Greetings, this is Zhang Yuan. This presentation is for the project of CSE 7319 software architecture, and the title of this project is the Graduate Program Consulting System. And here it starts. A brief project description. Graduate Program Consulting System is an application offering a variety of features for those undergraduate students who are interested in continuing their education in a graduate program. The main goal of this system is to provide consulting services to students who have different backgrounds and different academic levels. Two architecture styles will be compared and one will be implemented to the system. Well, here is the option 1. I choose the object-oriented style and layered style. When you can see, I have divided the system into 3 layers, like the first layer is UI layer, and the second is BAL layer, and the third layer is DAL layer. The UI layer, we track the user interfaces actions in this layer, like the component will be user information input and the the report of the results output. And in the middle level, we use the data collection component and the decision support component. And in data collections component, we will collect the data from the users, and in decision support component, the system should be able to make the most appropriate recommendation through the accessing to the database. And the DAL layer is the information retrieve component. It is connected to the database. It can make operations to the database. Here is the classes of the first option style, and user information input. We got username and password is for the user login and the registers, so etc. And data collection, we got a GPA and a university. In this system, I only use 2 parameters, like GPA and university, as the parameters of consulting. Well, it could be expanded into much more, like internships and other variables, but well, we will just use these 2 as the main parameters here. And as you can see, the information retrieve has circuit operations and decision support, total weighted points. The points decided which graduate program the system will recommend it to the users. And the report output has the function called print report, and it will print the results of the recommendation. And the second option is the pipe and filter style, and the pipe filter to the input filter to pipe 1, and to process filter, and to pipe 2 to the final output filter, just like we did in assignment 1, like pretty much of it. Well, here is the classes, UML classes diagrams. The main has the login and register, the user data has the read data function, and the list string data list. I use list array to as the data structure to pass from the to store the user data to pass from the components to pipes and to the final program filter. Well, the points and coins, object-oriented styles and layered style has infinite malleability of object internals, and the system decomposition into sets of interacting edges, increasing abstraction levels, invulnerability, reuse. In course of it, performance, because the object-oriented style could be very large sometimes, and side effects in object method invocations. And as for the pipe filter style, we have the pros of reuse and concurrent execution. Of course, is slow data transmission and interaction required from the user. Here, I choose the pipe filter style. Well, since the logging and register parts require much interaction, like you have to input the right password, or if you forget your password, you can retrieve your password. But later part, the recommendation part is pure data flow, and so it will be easy to implement and easy to track of the data flow of the system. Well, here's a screenshot of the graduate program recommendation system. First, you can log into the system and enter your username. Then you enter your password, and the system will show you the login successfully, and you will enter your GPA and enter your university or where you get your bachelor degree, and the system will give you another choice, like the two levels of choice. The first is the best choice, and the second choice. The best choice is you have a very high hit of it to enter that program, and the second choice is worth your trying. Applying fee is another burden to the potential graduate student. And on the right is the database format, and there is something wrong with my MySQL, so I just use text files to store to use as a database, where I will just keep it as simple as possible, like it only has the username and password. Well, there is still much improvements to better UI could be implemented to in order to get a better experience, and more universities and programs information could be added, so the user could get a more get a precise recommendation to the system from the system. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.